Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Axie boundlessness truly is exchanging at $6.97 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.28% in kind of most recent 1 hour in, by and large, enormous manner. Axie fundamentally has a really complete market cap of $815,605,381 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $49,148,618. This in a real sense makes Axie limitlessness exceptionally positioning at 57 in the digital money market, which generally is very huge. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Axie vastness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie limitlessness generally be in every practical sense? Worth in 2023, or so they basically thought. Is Axie boundlessness a kind of wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Will Axie costs certainly outperform its record-breaking commonly high in an unobtrusive manner? These truly are our Axie boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, which truly is very critical. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2023 as per the Axie vastness conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Axie cost truly is supposed to truly cross a kind of normal value level of $8.85. The normal least value worth of Axie boundlessness toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to for the most part be $8.51. So these in a real sense are our Axie endlessness cost forecasts for Axie's future in a genuinely significant manner. Besides, Axie can really arrive at a most extreme value level of $9.62 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie endlessness value forecast June 2023. The cost of Axie boundlessness explicitly is essentially anticipated to truly reach at a sort of least worth of $6.65 in June 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The Axie cost could by and large arrive at a greatest worth of $7.48 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $7.27 all through 2023, which generally is very critical. Axie value estimate July 2023. The Axie endlessness gauge for July 2023 expects that the Axie may truly arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $7.77 with a sort of least cost of around $7.21 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the extremely normal value, Axie can essentially stretch around $7.49 for July in a for the most part enormous manner. Axie value conjecture August 2023. The Axie limitlessness gauge for August 2023 expects that the Axie might arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $8.07 with an especially least cost of around $7.37. Discussing the extremely normal value, Axie can by and large stretch around $7.72 for August in an unobtrusive manner. Axie limitlessness value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Axie boundlessness value sort of is estimate to in a real sense arrive at a sort of the least cost of $7.68 in an unobtrusive manner. The Axie cost could in every practical sense arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $8.46 with the especially normal expected cost around $8.02 in a kind of huge manner. Axie endlessness value expectation October 2023. The cost for Axie boundlessness in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $8.07 and $8.86 in a very significant manner, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $8.35, which truly is genuinely huge. Axie value conjecture November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Axie boundlessness in a real sense is supposed to arrive at least value worth of $8.25. The Axie cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $9.28 with the essentially normal cost around $8.60. So Axie endlessness value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Axie vastness cost is estimate to fundamentally arrive at a sort of the least cost of $7.68. Or so they especially thought. Axie limitlessness value gauge December 2023. The Axie endlessness cost for December 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a for the most part least worth of $8.51, while the greatest gauge cost really is around $9.62, which sort of is very critical. The by and large normal cost for Axie in every practical sense is certainly anticipated to in a real sense reach $8.85 in December 2023, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie vastness fundamentally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie Infinity's cost has shown a great increment of 1.59% in the truly most recent 24 hours in a kind of enormous manner. From truly most recent 7 days, the Axie sort of was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.3%, which really is very critical. Axie boundlessness sort of has shown extremely sort major areas of strength for of potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and contribute. So Axie endlessness value expectation June 2023. The cost of Axie limitlessness generally is basically anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $6.65 in June 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie explicitly diminished by 25.797%, disposing of an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $2.42 from its ongoing worth in a truly significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a genuinely decent purchase and open door for fast speculation. So Axie value estimate August 2023. The Axie vastness figure for August 2023 expects that the Axie may basically arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $8.07 with an exceptionally least cost of around $7.37, or so they fundamentally thought. The 90 days cost change generally is near 40.55%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a by and large least genuinely normal cost of $10.80 to truly greatest truly normal cost of $12.31 in the in every way that really matters. Recent days, which explicitly is very huge. In kind of most recent 4 months, Axie vastness truly has shown a developing pattern, or so they thought. Hence, we sort of think that comparable pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period, exhibiting that discussing the all things considered normal value Axie can sort of stretch around $7.72 for August, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Axie boundlessness certainly is expanded from 4 months in an especially huge manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, showing how Axie vastness value expectation September 2023 concerning September 2023. Axie endlessness cost essentially is figured to sort of arrive at in a real sense the most minimal cost of $7.68. The coin for the most part is up by 4.65%, with the kind of greatest by and large normal cost of the coin truly was around $6.96, and the very least by and large normal cost of basically was around $6.76 in essentially beyond 4 months, showing how the coin certainly is up by 4.65%, with the most extreme typical cost of the coin truly was around $6.96, and the by and large least exceptionally normal cost of in every practical sense was around $6.76 and for the most part beyond 4 months. Axie limitlessness value figure 2023 FAQs. What will truly be Axie endlessness kind of worth in 2023 in a truly significant manner? The Axie cost certainly is gauged to generally arrive at a very greatest degree of $9.62, with kind of least cost of $8.51 toward the finish of 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner. Does Axie limitlessness in a real sense have a future? Or so they certainly thought. As far as value, Axie vastness has an extraordinary in every practical sense potential to generally arrive at new levels, demonstrating the way that the Axie cost could truly arrive at a really greatest cost